Hi guys, Balash here from wpcookhouse.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Google Analytics code to your WordPress website. So this is your Google Analytics dashboard, which is basically a free tool from Google that lets you get visitor data. It's very useful, and I recommend you install it right away once you install your WordPress site. It's completely free, you don't have to do anything, and you can install the analytics code in basically a few minutes and you're all set up. Let's see what to do. Basically, here is your WordPress dashboard. We'll need to install a new plugin later on, and this is your analytics dashboard. If this is your first website, you don't see here anything, so just go ahead and click on admin. And in the property section, you need to add a new property, create new property. What a property is basically a website, and you can have multiple accounts. I usually use this account for my personal websites, and if I have a new website, I just add that as a property. So just go ahead and click create new property here. It's a website, so we are good. Website name, you just go ahead and type in a name. This is my personal website, so I'm just typing my name, Balázs Szilágyi website. Choose HTTP or HTTPS. I'm using HTTPS here, and go ahead and paste your domain basically here. So this is your domain. You can select an industry or just leave it as it is. Mine is a personal website, so I just choose other. Time zone, choose the reporting time zone. It basically depends on where your main target audience resides. So for me, it's the US. I can leave it specific time, or I'm gonna choose Eastern time and go ahead and click on get tracking ID. So basically you are good with Google Analytics. You have your site set up here. You have the code that you need to place in your website. So let's just jump over to the WordPress and install the plugin that we need to have this code on each of our pages. What we are going to use is basically Google Tag Manager, which is a very advanced method of installing your analytics code, and you can use Tag Manager for installing other codes like Facebook pixels, AdWords codes, Google Search Console, verification data, so everything that you want. So just go ahead and click plugins, add new, and this is the one we are going to use, the Duracell Tom's Google Tag Manager. So just go ahead and type in here Google Tag Manager. You see Duracell Tom's Google Tag Manager, install, and once it's installed you need to click activate. Just go ahead and click activate, and you see it here in your installed plugins list. So what it says is, to start using Google Tag Manager, please enter your GTM ID, Google Tag Manager ID. So you need to have a Google Tag Manager ID. Just click here. This is a one-time setup. So if you don't have a Google Tag Manager ID, see my other video where I show you how to set up your Google Tag Manager account and how to get your Google Tag Manager ID. So once Tag Manager is activated on your website, go ahead and open your Google Tag Manager account, and you need to add a new tag, which is going to be the Google Analytics tag. Just go ahead and click on choose a tag type here, tag configuration, and you need to add Google Analytics, classic Google Analytics, what we are installing right now. Then it asks for your web property ID, which you can find here. Basically this is your tracking ID. So just go ahead and copy this ID here. It usually starts with the UA and whatever, and paste it here. I advise you to enable display advertiser features, and you are good to go with these settings. Basically just go ahead and click save. Next, you need to add a trigger to fire your analytics code. So just go ahead and click on add trigger. Basically, we want to use it on all pages with the page view. So this is a good one. This is the only one actually what you can choose from, but just go ahead and choose that one and go ahead and click save. You can rename it if you want. That's fine with me. Click save. Your tag is all set up. Then you need to publish your container. So just go ahead and click here, submit. It says publish to live environment. That's what we want. Just click publish. This is version history if you want to save or give a name to whatever you did, like first installation or installed GA code first time. Go ahead and click continue. And your Google Analytics code and Tag Manager container is active. So everything should work here. Just go ahead and go back here to your Analytics dashboard and check the status. It says no data received in the past 48 hours. Just click, visit your website, and if everything's working, in a few seconds you see, like in 1 second, you should see that there is one active user on your website. So everything is working. Your Google Analytics is set up with Google Tag Manager. You can monitor your traffic in the Analytics dashboard. Of course, it needs some data. There's one more tip I can recommend to you. When you come here, you see your property name, which we set up, but in the views section, you see all website data. This is the basic configuration, the basic name Google gives, Analytics gives any website that you install. So just come back here and you see all website data. I recommend you change this to a more descriptive name. Usually I use the same that here, Balázs Szilágyi website. So just click view settings and see all website data. Just change this to whatever is more descriptive to you. For WordPress website, I recommend tracking site search. Of course, for a beginner website, this is not very important, but when someone comes here and types in a keyword, then you can monitor in your analytics account what keywords people are searching for. It's very, very useful. Just type in S here and you're good to go. Click save. Everything's fine. When you click this home button, you should see there is one visitor, which is of course me right now. Yeah. If I click this article here, you should see the URL changing in a few seconds. Yeah, that's it. So you're good to go. Your Google Analytics is installed on your WordPress website, and you can go ahead and monitor your traffic in this very, very useful free software from Google. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.